What's up, guys? So in this video, this will be the complete sniper rifle upgrade. So I'm going to show how to upgrade, like how you'd switch out the barrel, the hop-up system, the spring, all that good stuff. So first off, you're going to need to take an Allen wrench here, and you'll need to find the one that fits in these two slots here. So we'll take this and unscrew it. Get these screws out, and then I'll just set them in a dish off to the side. And then there's a screw spot up here that you'll stick it in. Not all sniper rifles are exactly the same. I mean, like as far as getting into them, but they are pretty much all the same on the inside. So if this isn't exactly the same type of sniper rifle as yours, still go ahead and watch the video, because if you know how to get it to the inside of yours, it'll pretty much look the same as this one. So you pull that front piece off, and then you'll need to pull the bolt up, and you can pull that piece off. And then you can take the scope off if you want. I'm just going to leave mine on. But first I'll show how you would upgrade the hop-up. So there's two screws here, and you'll just need to loosen them up a little bit. You don't have to take them all the way out. So we'll loosen those up, and then you should just be able to pull the barrel out. Then there's a little screw there holding it in, so I'll grab one of these screwdrivers here. And then you'll need to get that screw out, and then you should just be able to take and pull the barrel out with your finger, and then just kind of shake it out. So then if you were to replace the barrel, what you'll do, well, I'll show the hop-up system first, and it's pretty self-explanatory on the barrel. So there's a little piece here, you'll put your wrench on that, and then you should just be able to unscrew it. So I'll set the wrench down and then just turn the barrel like this, and it should unscrew out of there. Then if you were to replace the barrel, well, first you pull this piece out. This is your hop-up system here, and you have to try and pull this piece off. It's kind of like a ring all the way around hop-up system. So you pull it off like that, and then you can just pull your barrel out like this. If you're replacing the rubber piece on the hop-up system, all you do is just switch this piece out here. If you're replacing the full hop-up system, you would just insert another one of these onto there. I wanted to show you guys how to do it, although I won't be replacing mine at this moment. And then the barrel, of course, this is just the barrel piece, so you would swap this whole part out here, and then you would insert it into your hop-up system like this. Make sure it's pushed back all the way. You want to make sure this can go down freely. You can look down your barrel to make sure that it's the rubber sticking down into the barrel like it should. Actually, you have to have this piece on there first, but then you just slide it on there like I showed. Make sure it can go down there, look in the barrel like that. Then you can slide this piece back up on there. So that's basically all you do with the barrel. Then you can screw this back in, put it back in the barrel. It's pretty simple. So that's how you would upgrade the hop-up and your barrel. That's as far as like replacing the barrel or the hop-up system or anything like that. So now as far as the spring, what you're going to have to do to upgrade your velocity is there's 2 screws here. You'll have to take the trigger box out. Well, not all guns you have to take it out. Some of them you can just pull a piece up right in here, and that way you wouldn't have to take it out. With this one I will have to take it out though. So then there's 2 nuts there. I'll just set them over to the side. Need to push my 2 screws out. Then once I do that, I can pull my trigger box straight out. Then there's this piece here. I'll need to put my screwdriver in that and pull it out. And then I should be able to slide my cylinder all the way out. So then to get the tip of this off, you don't want to clamp your pliers down on there like this. If you clamp them down on there like that, you can bend up this piece. So if you'll notice, there's 2 little holes there, and you'll put the ends of your pliers in that, and then you can just start unscrewing it like this. Then once it gets loose enough, you can just unscrew it with your hands. Alright, so I'll go get my new spring and the pieces that go inside, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Here's the new cylinder, spring, that kind of stuff. So you'll pull the old one out, and then I'll just set it over here. You'll put the new one in like this, and then just screw this golden piece back on, or brass piece I should say. It's not golden, kind of a goldish color, but so you'll just have to hold that on there and then put your pliers back in there. Try to screw that back in there. There we go. So that's how you upgrade the spring. And then, so that's pretty simple. And then to upgrade the trigger box, if you just bought a whole new trigger box, of course you can just replace it, put it in where the old one was. And then to upgrade the trigger box, you would just switch out some of these plastic pieces, like in here, with metal pieces. I'm not going to take apart the trigger box right now, so I might make another video on how to do that later. So yeah, that's the complete upgrade on your sniper rifle. So I'm just going to play in fast motion here, me putting it all back together. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Schmidt Tactical.